Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we have another rocket launch. So because this launch actually took more of a northeastern trajectory, I was not able to get the best video, but I was still able to get a little bit of it and hear a little bit of the rumble. Between the noises of airplanes, helicopters, cars, and air conditioning, you can sort of kind of hear the rumble at the very end of this video. I'll be honest with you though, even though these are pretty cool to watch during the day, nighttime launches are much better. If you're interested in watching any of these launches live, or even if you don't catch it live, there's a really good YouTube channel called SpaceFlight Now. I'll leave a link down in the description box below. I want to thank you all for watching, and a thumbs up and a subscribe to my channel would be great. But right now, I'm going to be quiet so you can hear the rumble that's coming up here in probably about a minute.
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance.
Indigo landing for a 19th time of B1080.